Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Salma radiyallahu anha reported, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to Abu Salama radiyallahu anhu as he died. His eyes were fixedly open. He closed them and then said, when the soul is taken away, the sight follows it. Some of the people of his family wept and wailed. So he said, do not supplicate for yourself anything but good, for angels say Ameen. To what you say, he then said, O Allah, forgive Abu Salama radiyallahu anhu, raise his degree among those who are rightly guided, grant him a successor in his descendants who remain. Forgive us and him, O Lord of the universe, and make his grave spacious and grant him light in it. Sahih Muslim 920. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.